The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 17, verse 80.
My Lord, cause me to enter a sound entrance and to exit a sound exit.
This supplication encompasses both one's inward intention and outward action. Entering with the truth can indicate that whenever a Muslim enters any situation, whether worldly or religious, they should do so with the intention to please Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim will be rewarded for all the lawful actions completed with this intention, even if the deed appears worldly. For example, earning lawful wealth and fulfilling the needs of one's family appears to be a worldly deed, but when done with the correct intention, it becomes a righteous deed. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 4006. It is important to note that a sincere intention is always supported by actions according to the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The one who possesses an incorrect intention will not be rewarded by Allah, the Exalted. In fact, on Judgment Day, they will be told to seek their reward from who they acted for. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 3154. Entering on the truth also includes physically entering every situation in a way which is pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and only performing those actions which are pleasing to Him, while avoiding all situations and actions which are based on falsehood and sins. This is only achieved by learning and acting on the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Exiting on the truth is when one leaves every situation with an intention which pleases Allah, the Exalted. Meaning, a Muslim must maintain a good intention from the start till the end of an action without changing it. And it includes practically leaving situations in a way pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. For example, leaving a difficulty or test with patience, according to the teachings of Islam, knowing that Allah, the Exalted, chooses the best situation for each person, even if they do not observe the wisdom behind it. Chapter 2, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not.